I've been dipping my toes into the beautiful pools of bonsai and I've been loving it. I've actually been trying to make this video for the past month, but today's the day. I'm showing you the wonderful world of bonsai. We are doing everything from shopping for the plants, picking the right plants, as well as shaping and potting them, styling them, and creating a full bonsai from a total non-expert. But I've been loving it, so I think you guys will love it too. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Patrick and I love plants. In today's video, we are making a bonsai. It's super cool and very fascinating. We are starting the day out here at Upland Nursery in Orange, California. Upland Nursery has a great selection of really cool, interesting plants, and they also have a special bonsai section. So naturally, this is the first place I thought of to go. There's tons of really beautiful trees to turn into bonsais. I do want to learn about it. And that's the best way I learn about things, is to just do them. Through trial and error, we will master the art of bonsai. We are starting the day out here at Upland Nursery in Orange, California. Upland Nursery has a great selection of really cool, interesting plants. They also have a special bonsai section. So naturally, this is the first place I thought of to go. And there's tons of really beautiful trees to turn into bonsais. That's the best way I learn about things, is to just do them. So through trial and error, we will master the art of bonsai. So I guess the first and official step is to find the right plant to bonsai. Ooh, they have these cool bursera trees. These look really cool. These are $89 each. That's a little steep. These could be interesting. These are $19.99 each. Then there is the classic juniper. These are widely used as bonsais. These could be cool. These are $14.99 each. Ooh, these look cool. This is some type of cedar. These are $22.99 each. Texas ebony. Ooh, these could be cool. These already look really interesting. You could do a pine. This one's $49 though. And then the ficus, which would be great for indoors. However, I'm not looking for indoors right now. I'm looking for outdoors. But I do love how nicely developed these trunks are. These are $59 each. Ooh, these are really cute. This could be something that I work on when I know what I'm doing. These are $59. Oh, wait. Oh no, these are $28.99. There's tons of Japanese maples to choose from, and Japanese maples are beautiful. When I thought of doing this bonsai project, I initially thought of using a Japanese maple. However, I'm not too sure on the care of these plants. But this one is very beautiful. As you can see, there's many different options for plants to use to make bonsais. You can basically use any shrub, tree, or even succulents to use for the bonsai. You know, we gotta check out the cacti and succulents while we're here. They have some really cool Falkea edulis. One is 109 and the other one right there is 189. Ooh, these would be cool to bonsai, however. This would be me biting off more than I can chew at the moment. Ooh, they have the curly jade, which I love. These are $6.99 each. Jade plants are actually really good for bonsaiing. I actually have one at home waiting for me to put into a pot. We are now at a Home Depot. You could truly turn anything into bonsai, showing how accessible this plant hobby is, and that's why I'm here. I'm gonna check out what shrubs or little trees I can turn into bonsai. And Home Depots are everywhere, so you can possibly go to your closest Home Depot and look for some of these plants. If you're inspired to create a bonsai, that would be awesome. And please tag me in your stories on Instagram. I always love seeing your creations. Looking through the outdoor plants, I can see that, you know, the star jasmines are really pretty. And I did look that up, and there are some really nice star jasmine bonsais out there. Another one that I think would be cool, I don't know how possible that is hibiscus. A blooming bonsai tree with a hibiscus flower would be so pretty. Whoa, these are pretty. The leaves kind of remind me of the Mimosa pudica. Super pretty, and it has these really cool blooms, like little feathers. Look, this one has seed pods. However, I'm really looking for the structure of the tree. Will it look interesting as a bonsai? Another awesome plant that is easily found is the azalea, and this you can turn into a beautiful bonsai too. So I'm gonna look through these and see if any of these catch my eye. Did not take long for me to find the perfect azalea. I love the roots, I love the trunk, and everything about it. And it's only $9.98. Such a steal. So now that we have everything, we have the perfect azalea, we have the pot, which I got from Upland Nursery, azalea from Home Depot, and other supplies that you will need will be wire cutters, some pruning shears. I like to use scissors. So now we're gonna bring it on home. Oh yeah, and some wire mesh for the drainage holes. I'm gonna show you why I picked this. I thought, well, first of all, I thought this was already halfway done, so that was appealing. But I really liked how it branches off from this main trunk, and I established in the store that this will be the front. But let's not get ahead of ourselves, let's check out the roots. Awesome, it's actually not that deep. I was worried that it was gonna be like really long, but this seems pretty workable. I forgot to mention a chopstick, and we're gonna use the chopstick to just kind of gently loosen the soil without disturbing the roots too much. I like the chopstick because it helps expose the top roots like that, and I love those in bonsais. So I loosen the soil just enough that I can cut this a little shorter. They say sometimes cutting the roots helps it from growing downward, like it was in the pot, to growing outward in how I want it to grow in its new pot. This part's about putting the mesh wires in. I cut these wires to about this length, about 2 inches, and I'm gonna use it to anchor the wires to the pot. I like to keep it simple, and it should look like this. And then I'm gonna add another piece of wire that I cut. It's about, I'd say, a foot long, maybe a little more, 14 inches. I'm gonna stick it through the pot like that, because we are gonna wire this tree into the pot. I love that. Then I'm gonna add about, I don't know, maybe a centimeter of soil. No, I should maybe add a little more. 2 centimeters of soil. But do it with feelings. Don't use like a yardstick. Oh yeah. This is another part that I always mess up in, is I get so excited about potting the plant that I forget to look at the front. So we are going to establish the front, which is this right here. Let me show you. Pretty, right? This wire is just gonna hold it in place. You know, I've always wondered how those big trees stay in those small pots, and I think it's all in the wire. The wire I also got from Upland Nursery. I'm assuming it's like a special bonsai wire. I don't know how thick or what gauge it is, but it was a little thicker than some of my other trees. That was another problem of mine. I was snapping a lot, breaking. If you saw that juniper, that's what happened there. Let me free you from the big box stigma. I tried with the moss. I wasn't thinking. Moss in full sun, like, duh. So the azalea should be better, because I'm not gonna put the azalea in full sun. I'm gonna keep it in a lot more shade. Full sun will definitely scorch the azalea. I think it's getting a little too much sun at the... I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying this because I thought it looked really funny with that dot on in the pot. So maybe cutting it in half will make it a little nicer. So I'm gonna cut this thing off because it's blocking these 2 main branches that I want to be like the main focal point of the tree. I like that. Then I'm gonna cut these bottom branches off just to clean it up. The thing with bonsai is that I was intimidated to try this. I really was. But the thing is, there's no one really watching. So, well, in my case, hopefully there are people watching. And thank you for watching. No one's really like judging your plants, and it's really there for you to enjoy. So, whatever, right? And you can always revisit the tree and prune some more later. I think I want to attempt wiring this. So 2 branches. I'm gonna wire, I guess, this one and this one. Whoa, that is really long. Pardon my sweat. It's the lights. These lights are hot. I'm gonna be careful of that new growth. I do want to keep that. So let's just gingerly and I'm just wrapping the wire kind of gently as possible for me, because I am apparently a beast. And I snap branches. Okay, got that one. But the wires help it grow a certain way, like a way that you want it to. So you can gently coerce it to a certain direction if you'd like. And I want to do that and make it a lot more apparent, and that way it all gets even light. And I think I'm done. It's as simple as that. I don't know. I hope I made it look simple. If I didn't, I swear, just go with the flow, and it's pretty simple. And it's a lot of fun. I really got into it. Actually, I think I want to cut this off too. Cool. And then all this needs is a watering, and it's done. I'm gonna keep it in partial shade and away from the hot afternoon sun, so maybe give it some morning sun, and mainly just keep it protected, but definitely outside. Thank you for joining me as I create a bonsai. And if you decide to make a bonsai for yourself, please tag me in your stories on Instagram. I love to see what you guys are up to. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much, so if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye!
Ocean in between us, still I feel your heartbeat. There's something about you, baby, that makes me feel complete. Nobody's meant to be fighting alone. That's why I'm taking you home. I never felt something like this before, no. Keep coming back for your time after time. Maybe I'm losing my mind, but I know I'll never leave you behind, no. Baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby, I got you. When you feel like falling, I'll be there to prove, yeah, that baby, I got you. No matter the distance, no matter the hoops, yeah, baby, I got you.